Hello and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we take one single word and explore its wonderful world. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's great to have you here with us. On this channel, we believe that understanding one word well is better than learning 10 words poorly.
That's right, Sam. We slow down, we take our time, and we really get to know a word. We look at what it means, how to say it, and how to use it in your everyday life.
And today, we are looking at a very small but very powerful word. It's a word that explains why things happen. It's the answer to the question, why?
Oh, I know this one. It's the word because.
Good guess, Layla. Because is a great word, and it's a friend of our word today. But our star word is even shorter. Our word today is cause.
Cause? C-A-U-S-E? But Sam, that sounds exactly like because, but without the B at the start.
You have excellent ears, Layla. They do sound very similar, and they are related, like family members. But cause is a little different, and it's incredibly useful. So let's start with the sound. Everyone, repeat after me. Cause, cause.
Cause. It's a nice, short sound.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about what this little word means. The word cause is all about why something happens. If event A makes event B happen, then event A is the cause. Think of it like this. You see a puddle of water on the floor. What is the cause? Maybe a glass of water fell. The fallen glass is the cause of the puddle.
Oh, I see. So if I'm happy today, the cause of my happiness could be this great podcast we are making.
Yes, that is definitely the cause. Thank you, Layla. So, cause is the thing that makes something else happen. It is the reason. Let's look at it as a noun, a thing. For example, the cause of the loud noise was a big truck. The truck, the cause, made the noise.
So we use it to find the starting point of a problem or a situation. If a plant is dead, I can ask, what was the cause? Maybe the cause was no water or too much sun.
Exactly. But here is where it gets interesting. Cause can also be a verb, an action word. When you cause something, you make it happen. You are the person creating the action. For example, if you play music very loudly at night, you cause a problem for your neighbors. You make the problem happen.
So if I bake a cake for my friends, I cause a lot of happiness. I make the happiness happen.
You are very good at causing happiness, Layla. So, to summarize, as a noun, a cause is the thing that makes something else happen. And as a verb, to cause means to make something happen.
Let's practice with a little story. Imagine a man, Bob. Bob is very tired this morning. Oh, poor Bob. What was the cause? Why is he tired?
The cause was his new puppy. The puppy was very noisy last night. The puppy caused a lot of noise. So the noise caused Bob to wake up many times. The puppy was the cause of the noise, and the noise was the cause of Bob's tiredness.
Oh, so the little puppy caused a big problem for Bob, but I'm sure the puppy also causes a lot of joy.
That's a very positive way to see it. Now, let's talk about the friendly word you mentioned earlier, Layla. Because. Because is the word we use to connect the cause and the effect in a sentence. We use it to give the reason. So we can say Bob is tired because his puppy was noisy. The effect? Bob is tired. The cause is his puppy was noisy. Because connects them.
So cause, the word, is the name for the reason, and because, the word, is the tool we use to explain the reason in a sentence.
You said it perfectly. They are two sides of the same coin. Now, let's think about some other ways we use cause. We often use it when we talk about problems or accidents. For example, police officers look for the cause of a car accident. Doctors look for the cause of an illness.
But it's not always for bad things, right? Scientists can find the cause of a beautiful natural event, like a rainbow. The cause of a rainbow is sun and rain together.
Great example. It's for good things and bad things. Anytime you want to find the starting point, the reason, you can think of the word cause. Let's try to make some simple sentences together, Layla.
Okay. Sentence 1. Eating too much sugar can cause health problems.
Excellent. That's using cause as a verb. You are making health problems happen by eating too much sugar. My turn. The cause of the traffic jam was an old tree on the road.
Oh, that's a good one. The tree is the reason for the traffic. My turn again. A good teacher can cause a love for learning in her students.
Wow, Layla, that's a beautiful sentence, and so true. You see, this small word can talk about very big, important ideas. It's also used in the common phrase, a good cause. A good cause is a project or an idea that helps people or makes the world better. For example, raising money for a hospital is a good cause. Protecting animals is a good cause.
So if you help a good cause, you cause positive change in the world. You make positive change happen.
We've come full circle. You understand it completely. So, to all our wonderful listeners, let's do a quick review. The word is cause. It sounds like cause. As a noun, it means the reason why something happens. And remember its friend, because, which we use to link the cause and effect in a sentence.
And that's the word cause. It's a small key that unlocks the answer to the question, why, in so many situations.
Now it's your turn. We want you to practice. Learning a word is good, but using a word is fantastic. Go down to the comment section below this video and write us a sentence. Use the word cause. You can tell us, what is something that causes happiness for you? Or, what was the cause of a funny situation in your life? We read every single comment, and we love to see you using the words you learn.
Yes, please. Write your sentence. Don't be shy. We are all here to learn together. Thank you so much for listening to Coca English today.
Thank you, everyone. Keep learning, keep curious. I'm Sam.
And I'm Layla. Until next time.